Hey folks, how you doing? So today I'm going to talk to you a bit about the differentiators between strength and power training and how to utilise each one. So what we're actually going to look at first is strength training specifically. So what I'm going to talk to you about here is what you should be prioritising in these areas in strength and in power, and how each works. So with strength training, for how you should utilise it for performance is really you should be prioritising compound lifts like squats, lunges, presses, deadlifts, those areas, mainly prioritising compound lifts, right? The rep range should be between 1 to 6 reps, depending on what load you've got on. It's usually a higher load, heavier load with strength, and power is usually a lower load, but I'll come to that in a minute. So you want to train with intent as well. So with strength and power training, you've got to be focused and intentional with your training modalities. So focused and explosive movements to translate the speed and power to whatever you're doing, whether it's daily activities, whether it's a sport or a running movement or a jumping movement or something like that. Recovery periods for these should be specific muscle groups should be between should be 48 hours. If you're working as the same muscle groups, give them 48 hours in between sessions to recover. With the power training, you should be looking at lower loads with higher movement speed, higher velocity movement when you're actually using the weights. So lower load for power, higher load for strength, 1 to 6 reps. Train with intent, so focused and explosive, so it translates the speed and power into whatever you're doing. And recovery should be 48 hours for the same muscle groups. So there you go, strength and power differentiators.